With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the option where they are exhibiting mutualism. Now, first of all, let's try to understand the significance of the term mutualism. We all know that in any habitat, the biotic community is made up of many different species live together. And obviously, all of these members of the biotic community, all these variety of species are not completely distinct from each other. They are linked together in one way or another. And they also show different types of complex interactions among themselves. Now, these interactions can be divided into many categories, where mutualism is such an interaction where both of the species involved are benefiting. So it is beneficial to both the parties. And we are generally going to see that these mutualistic species are going to remain in close association with each other to derive benefit. Now, first of all, they are saying mycorrhizae in the roots of higher plants. Now, what does mycorrhiza mean? It is an example of mutualistic relationship, or we can say symbiotic relationship, where we see that some variety of fungi become closely associated with the roots of higher plant. And how is this association beneficial to both of the parties? Because for the roots, when fungal filaments get associated with them, the surface area for absorption of water and minerals is greatly enhanced, whereas on the other hand, the fungus is getting shelter in the roots and it is also deriving nutrition from the plant. So both are benefiting. Fungus gets shelter and nutrition, whereas the plant gets an enhanced surface area in its roots. So this is a correct example of mutualism. Next, they are saying wasp pollinating an inflorescence of fig. Now, we all know that pollination is a very important process in the sexual reproduction of flowering plants. And in the case of fig, we see that they form very specific relationships with some insect species to pollinate their flowers, to transfer their pollen grains. But over here, we can say it is a mutualistic relationship, because it is not that the insect is coming, getting attracted to the flower and causing pollination, but in return for pollination, the fig is also providing a site for oviposition to this wasp. So this wasp is going to transfer the pollen grains, but in return, this wasp is going to lay its eggs inside the fruit when the fruit develops. And when these eggs are going to become mature, when the larvae are going to come out, then these larvae can also feed on the developing seeds inside the fruit. So again, both are benefiting. Wasp is getting oviposition, wasp is getting nutrition for its larvae, whereas the plant gets its flowers pollinated. Similarly, in sea anemone, we find that they often grow on the shell of the hermit crab. So it is a similar association. Again, it's mutualistic, because the hermit crab gets protection as the sea anemone has stinging tentacles, whereas on the other hand, the sea anemone gets to travel because it cannot do locomotion on its own. So where the hermit crab is going to swim, wherever it's going to travel, the sea anemone can also go. And in the vicinity of this hermit crab, the sea anemone also gets access to a lot of prey, a lot of fish. So all of these three are correct examples of mutualism, or such an interaction where both the species involved are going to benefit by remaining in close association with one another. So option D is our correct answer over here. All of these are exhibiting symbiotic relationship or mutualistic relationship.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.